Hello everyone. So if you would like to remove Google Assistant from the power button on your Android device, here's how to do that. So first of all, let's open up our settings. Then we gotta scroll down to our system tab. On Android phones, it's gonna be named as a general management, I guess. So open up your system tab. Now locate your gestures. And that's basically what we need. And here locate your press and hold power button. So choose it. Now you have two choices here, digital assistant, and you can even set up a duration if you would like to keep it, so make it short or long, and power menu. So in order to switch from your digital assistant, simply tap on the power menu as I just did, and let me show it to you. So now if I'm gonna hold my power button, as you see I'm holding it, the power menu will be here, and you can use your phone as you did back in the day. So no more digital assistants on the power button. However, if you want to get rid of your digital assistant completely, and for example, you're using Google Assistant, let me show you how to do that. It works pretty much the same with all the different assistants. Bixby turns off pretty much like that, however, in its own Bixby tab. So go back to your main settings, locate your Google account. Now let's tap on all services, then scroll down to your search assistant and voice. Now choose your assistant, Google Assistant for me, then scroll down to your general tab. There we are. And here make sure to tap on the switch near Google Assistant. Confirm your choice by pressing turn off, and basically that's it. Now our Google Assistant is turned off and we won't be able to use it, and it will be nowhere here. I know sometimes it may be troubleshooting, so it may be annoying, so that's why you're turning this off. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.